Good morning from GlenMyu Estate here in the Sri Lankan hill country. I'm just down by the pool here at GlenMyu, and you'll see in the background there it's not full, it's about 2/3 full at the moment. That's because we've had a few days where we haven't had guests. So what we like to do is we like to empty the pool, give it a good clean, and then fill it up again. So here we are. A few days ago, one of our staff emptied the pool, gave it a good scrub, and we are now filling it again with spring water that comes from the land here. And we have guests that arrive tomorrow afternoon or evening, so this pool will be full and ready for them tomorrow when they arrive. They're coming down from Kandy, so hopefully they'll have a bit of a swim to get over that journey by train from Kandy to Haputale, about 6 hours. Nothing better than to dip in a nice fresh swimming pool to get ready for the evening. Nice meal prepared by Rue and the team here at GlenMyu Estate. But we do this every so often to make sure that the guests have the best experience here at GlenMyu Estate in the Sri Lankan hills.